What happens when students stop just imagining parts, but also start printing them? Theory is fine, but real innovation doesn't happen on paper. It happens with the experiment. Without hands-on experience, ideas stay ideas. BigRep brings industrial 3D printing right into your university lab. Large-scale, real materials, real-world applications. From prototyping to mechanical engineering, from architecture to aerospace, from art to product design, our printers turn education into execution. Over 100 institutions worldwide already use BigRep because learning is more powerful when you can hold the results in your hands. Give your students the tools of tomorrow with BigRep in your lab. Get in touch now and unlock funding opportunities.